Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. This video is going to be about high wave candlesticks. I'm going to tell you how to trade them. I highly suggest avoiding them. They're one of the most kind of frustrating kind of candlesticks. They're kind of like the long-legged doji. So they look like a long-legged doji, but they have kind of longer wicks and shadows. So they have higher wicks, higher shadows, so longer ones, as well as bigger real bodies. So they're kind of a bigger risk candlestick. You'll see right here, the bigger real body, longer upper wick, longer shadow. So technically, you would take kind of a short position as price breaks below it with a candlestick close above it as its stop, or if it's one in an uptrend. Let's see if there's one over here. You can see them, they're just kind of trading sideways. You see how they're just kind of a messy one, so you can see them trading sideways. If you find them in an uptrend, trading sideways, you just got to be very careful with these. If you find it in an uptrend, you would get in at the break above the candlestick close below as your stop. But you can see it's just so much risk because it's a bigger candlestick. So high wave candles, long-legged dojis are just two of my least favorite patterns. They're just very messy. They create indecision and just most of all, just kind of higher risk because you can see just a bigger kind of candlestick. So personally, I avoid trading them, but kind of like with, any kind of bullish or bearish candlestick, technically if price kind of falls below it, you could short it with a candlestick close above as your stop, or if you're going long, if it's in an uptrend, break above the candlestick close below as your stop. But again, a lot of risk if you're using that full candlestick as your stop area. So if you do trade it, I really wouldn't recommend putting your stop with the whole candlestick because, again, a lot more risk. But like I said, those high wave candlesticks, basically kind of like a long-legged doji, but longer upper wick, longer lower shadow with a bigger real body.